Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the device and taking immediate corrective steps. Power off and remove any case or cover, then safely open access if your device allows. Once done, gently clean the sensor with 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth to remove oils that block scanning. Make sure to back up your data and note existing fingerprint enrollments. This prevents surprises when you reset or re-register later. Now, proceed to check physical connections while staying grounded to avoid static damage. Next, you'll isolate software from hardware problems. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps disrupt the sensor. If it works there, uninstall recent apps. If not, open the device and inspect the flex cable and connector for kinks or corrosion. Reseat the ribbon until it clicks to ensure contact. Then update or reinstall the fingerprint driver or firmware using the manufacturer's package, because corrupt drivers often cause inconsistent detection. Make sure to document each change so you can reverse it if needed. Finally, reassemble the device carefully and verify operation. Reseat every component, tighten screws evenly, and replace covers so pressure on the sensor is correct. Power on, then delete old fingerprints and enroll new ones. Test enrollment and unlocking 5 to 10 times using different angles and consistent pressure, because sensor calibration matters. If problems persist, try an external USB or Bluetooth scanner to confirm the issue, and make sure to consider OEM repair or warranty service as a last resort. This avoids further damage or voided warranty.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.